like doing Queen Favor Rehabilitation Center. No man.
It is a girl Anivu ends back with a live with Shebada. It's a very interesting video. Please like, share, comment, and please subscribe. Bye bye, y'all.
Shouting, I realize where you're there. At the echo make you know say that world ain't not real. Go back. At the echo, man. That's why sometimes me not bother with them somebody. I don't even trouble people. So me I wonder if Jaden and Fabi grind. Cause Fabi clit supposed to big like a wood in a long time that I get dry. A long time that I get dry. Me I wonder if Jaden skin out Fabi and play with it. Cause them look freaky to me, and then since Fabi I come from a place from under the umbrella, the LGB, the alphabet, cause I can't call it out, you know, the alphabet, A, B, C, D, F, G. Me I wonder if she play with Jaden Batty sometime, because he must freaky, man. She must have a suck Jaden wood, and I looking at Batty, I wonder if it use up. Cause I remember she has sodomite, she used to dig out hole. Yeah. I wonder if Fabi strap on come with vibrator, it come with the sensor. When you put it on, the sensor there, you clit, so every ram it feel like a clit. I'm joking at Jaden bottom. I saw the deal of them stay, my love. Yeah? I saw the deal of them stay. They like how Fabia come from a place where she get her clit lick and she a lick clit. I wonder if she name out Jaden Batty hole and him suck out for her clit. Me just I wonder if I the Shana Chin and Italia saga. I just wonder if Shana Chin and Italia saga, because you know Shana Chin come from the gully. Look at Jesus, have mercy. They never can argument this Martin tell about Shana Chin and Cartel Sunday. I was shouting there for intervene. Jesus save a Cartel and want mash you up. Cartel and a lizard mother alone are fire. And a lizard mother alone are fire. Cartel look the Shana, then Cartel have to go beat your son. Jesus have mercy. Shouting never bring you this far for your feel, Jesus. Shouting never bring you this far for your feel. Shouting you have to intervene. Whether by force or by prayer. This cannot work. This cannot work. Shana Chin a demon. Jesus have mercy. Shana Chin come to take home the little children. Them Ansel and Gretel run. Run. Jesus have mercy. Cartel you have to intervene. Cartel you have to intervene. You have to dispel this. I saw me hear Cartel tell me say not true. Because Shana Chin, you have to put the skeleton with the X, the circle and the X. Shana poison. Jesus have mercy. No, you know, see everything with Shana Chin touch. It can't grow, but Lord have mercy. Just Cartel and this here free for. Shana Chin said, bring on a father, come lie. And it's him 8 on a girl. You don't need the people them father, you need them sons. Remember you like them young until he's a witch. He's a witch. He's a witch. Shana, leave that alone, Shana. Shana, leave that. Look what you do to Italia. You turn the boy worthless. The boy worse than Jaden. Ah! Shana, the bad one. If I didn't have it, maybe a church near Shana Clit. Any home I didn't have it, maybe a church near the girl Clit. No man, if you can take things out of the gully. No. And you don't even catch bacteria. Yeah, you start when they share bacteria. Ah, Jesus. No, one thing I can say, Gully Bap live him last days good. Boy, Jesus, Shana Chin saw me ear. When me hearing I'm a friend, cause you know me a friend. Me a touch road regular. But when me hear say, oh yeah, look, when I don't know which one a Cartel son. I don't know which one of the Addy them, you know. Oh, cause what if I Addy? Yeah. But when me hear say, yeah, me say Shana Chin, me really weak, that thing me a shorty. Only a mother would know what I'm going through. Shana, no man, no for them, you know. You and Cheese a fight over dildo. No man no for the video for sure. I hold this. No man no for the video, Shana. Leave the boy alone. Please me, I beg you. Do not mess him up. Don't mess him up. You imagine you go and pick the good and them go dabbling at that? She be the Christian since night. Me talk about that in a good as. Yeah, me the Christian. Me the Christian man. Yeah. But me don't know if me did ban. But me know me Christian. Yeah, because I see my Christian paper one time. But me don't know if me did ban. Yeah, so the christening part me know about. My baby. Yeah. Yeah, but me, why Shana? Them for put on Shana front, beware of bad dogs. For true man, them man license the people them wrong, you know. And megabytes of do it, you know, them could have never see Shana drive and say, and me a man and say, me want to get a lie! Any boy will say so them a sign them death warrant. You know see how fast he kill Gulliver? They tell you watch you go home. Watch them fit you like casket. Me not tell no lie. Are the best me ever see you look. Your favorite dead. For true auntie boss. Me not tell you like you put on your jacket suit. Them me think a casket. Me a say rotted bright like they all about. And that me did say. Me never say no. You think me just say wow. And me know your bottom full of bump. Me don't know if for the bump them a carry you home. Go on here, sir. Go on here. Then auntie boss, me no say one dance what they don't care if you close there, if you have a foolishness, that believe me. Number one, you need them knock. You need them knock. You look like a shape bad penguin. Auntie boss, me see the dance what you me not in a like you try man it out of your bottom of yarn. I saw you look like a undercover bottom. For true, an undercover bottom brother. For true, you look like you man it out, you know it's by your day. For true, me not tell no, like you never look good, you never cut that dash here. Me don't know if the camouflage eat you. Me don't know if I go talk to Up Park Camp. Me I go talk to the JDF. Me don't know if the camouflage eat you, but them eat you for true auntie boss. So me know when you give me a talk about cheese and jump up and catch a hype. I always remember say your alone jacket fit like casket. Oh. Me nah, I tell you. Yeah. Me nah ask you. Auntie boss, if you come out, they're gonna party where you know, so them not deal with your sexuality. Go somewhere where you can rain, man. You know, like raining, man. Yeah, go somewhere where you know you can rain, man. You stand up in that move for me, so you must see you step in your dance, me a dance and you share playing and miss your body twist. Actually, you need them that, so for sure. The little boy who for bottom your trouble, you should tap it on the shoulder in your dance and beg you buy him something for drink. You're a little bit brave. So I know why you me talk about cheese and laugh. Cause remember you would go in and bring a whole of you curse the lady and make sure still a sport cabinet like she did parliament. And you curse the lady. A blinger should have never grind you. Cause in a place wouldn't favor football field. Big and scanty. Big and scanty. And bring each up one side and I go like her house full of furniture, like a grand market night, and she gets squeezed up, and the little people them are sleeping in the room like when time a church came go on camping. And you know long me just say upstairs bed. I said nobody can tell me say me not there made in Manchester. Yeah. Me dip on the campsite, cause in a day time you're pity them a sport bunk bed. The children growing, mine make them ankle not have no blood, poor circulation, them have to go borrow when a queen is stacking. Look here, stretch the mattress. The pity them a roll, you know. Top too far for them drop. Yeah. The top too far for them. Me now cause see na bling and me just remind you when me see na 2024. But now cause see my baby, so me know why you think, who them people here? Who them arms house here? Put a only for arms house and send my request. Yeah. So me don't know how bling I go do body and she not do bed. Me don't know how you do body and not do bed. Then when you come home, which part you go lay down? You must have come home when you heal. I see that's why you say your hips slip out. And I know your body not do because I know you have to go close up your back. They must have to buy your back a zip. Cause your back open, you know, you and Rosalie back open. When the back open, man, breeze a take on the back like a windbreaker. Yeah, man. When you have the back where one zip. When the back broad, man. When the back breeze a take on the back like a windbreaker, man. Sometimes when you stand up front, you think you never have a knapsack, you know. Through a front way, me I look. Me nah body shame on you now, because when me walk out the road, my favorite whistle sideways. So me nah body shame on you. Me easy pan vision. People say I'm not done for them one. Yeah? The same way you look Dewey and Queenie. Because when me look pan Dewey, I said, but Dewey and Queenie favor, me not tell them like Dewey and Queenie favor rehabilitation center. No man. No, because when me look pan Dewey and Queenie, we uno make feel like them a star. Me have to say so. Then not even in my wildest dream I could look on Dewey and get her and you're mad. Dewey is the cure. Dewey is the cure. Dewey if you name abstinence when you take off him clothes. Yeah, if you name abstinence from him take off him clothes. No. Me abstain. You're mad? Some people when I see on the internet, you know, some of them I look at them and I giggle. I'm glad I get where I come from. I look at them and I giggle and I say a straight handicap them here, you know. A straight handicap and idiot them here. A whole heap of people on the internet, I laugh off on you know. When I tell you say Rosalie the farm when I think I like because her face can't stay still. Shanta! Come here, girl. You be alright? Damn Lord, me love. Me tell you, she full of deformity and all not see it. Jake said have to take she have to take Jake to the bum them. No man is true, them depressing. Rosalie say you not ever see she go back to sell peanut. The girl control her destiny within her pocket. Yeah. The girl say she not ever. Then come in and cheese, what a way you're sodomite girl rob you. Then cheese look on the hour when you choose to be sodomite. Custom order. Why custom order? Me no want to order custom. Yeah. And what if who name Trenex? And which people let me have? I don't know want to move on your son. Then come in and cheese the blase. Let me hear say you're a sodomite woman rabbit. Then cheese. Me not hear say look affiliated with the company name Loom. Then after me have $50 million for let Nicky Chrome so open back Loom. You make Loom Master open Loom for you, cheese. You make them open back Loom for you. Then cheese, so you not come tell me about this and how you leave your son and one man here and gone about your business, gone to Colorado, gone suck plastic, and you never get the plastic for suck. You can imagine you come home and your mouth not smell like thermocol. As yeah, I'm coming up, I want the world to know, yeah. And you coming there, raining man. Then you the thing said, oh cheese, come here. You must feel body in your emotion, sexuality, spirit, body though, and bleaching cream. You just put in something. You must feel bad, man no why and woman no why. And then you really did want to argue with me, cheese. Jesus shouldn't come at me, because for me come at me, yeah, go down. But it look like said the dopey them where RT bars feed them a work differently. Them now but I said you come home, them a mash up your relationship. Cheese me don't know what you're doing in the church there foreign. Why anybody live in one community where have a little cathedral? Eh? Them want to sprinkle some fire like you're baptized. For true, because me not understand cheese. Look on your time and you leave your son with one man and gone. Then you give up your them for molestation into human trafficking. I don't understand this. I cannot understand this cheese. Then I take it little boy off leave with people. But you really careless. The baby father did right when him say your dog, you just breathe and run left it. It's true. You're a dog for true cheese and you want people sorry for you and you have your money to spend for a woman and leave your little boy and don't leave no money for him. Go on your cheese. You're a little bit untouched. Me say you and Ivan for all and I'm past pedestrian and make the car and them go oink 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 oink. and friend, you know, no man on a big and kid. Then that you got for you couldn't suck no plastic out here. You couldn't suck no plastic out your cheese. Where the plastic them in a Jamaica do you? I import them in. You gonna foreign, you take all when you drive and take plane to Colorado, you far though, white people stay, then through your bleach. You think they make a mistake here? Not even the butcher one, you. Mercy. I cannot believe this. I cannot believe this. From a little and I grow up. Eh? And look how you talk, how nobody no want me, what you cuss me cheese. Nobody no want you. You see no man want you. You this or you that. And you know you alone favor Roy. You know you alone favor Roy. Huh? Nobody no want you. And nobody no cheese, not even Butch want you. Not even Butch. The whole of them say you played out cheese. Sir Roy, all when you get hip, you still favor boy. Sir Roy, all when you get hip, you still favor boy. You still, how you talk so, you still favor boy. All when them buy hip you, the boy a tear you down. You favor man. You know, tell the people them say you go Colorado for go suck plastic. Man, not like me think my mouth did lower than cheese one, but my mouth the way upstairs. Oh, there we are. Yes. You look like RT Bass play a big number pan. You're so cocky RT Bass. You know why you email talk about cheese and catch the hype, you know. Oh. Meanwhile, you email talk about cheese and catch the hype because your cocky not have no flavor. Remember I bling a whole first it going on. And you really want to take cartel sunshine and chingwan ya? Cartel sun and them puppy chow. Him not eat them, some of them love. Him not eat them, some of them. Him not like them, some of them, baba. Yeah. That's why when I see Italian, I say, Italia sell him soul to your all. Italia sell him soul to the altar of your vagina. Yeah. Because him could have never say, him never know say you and go back the day your mate was a dog and him go lay down with you. And you and him busy attack. Shana Chino care how clean you look. God believe me, I always think you're dirty. And you don't look dirty, you know. You don't look dirty because your girl can put yourself together. You might not have the good shape, God believe me. You might not have that shape the way I bounce. You know them way there? Yeah, you might have the breast, but nothing else. You understand what I say? And you always put yourself nicely together when you're ready. When you're ready. Yeah, when you're ready. You get what I say? But God know, me just can't see past Gulliver. So sometimes I don't even know when you're big. Me not disrespect you. Honestly, me just attack how I feel. So why you in your feelings? No. Why you in your feelings? Me not understand. It's attack how I feel. But when you see the things, them, you leave them alone. You all say no on people. I wonder if you have Gulliver death certificate in your hole. Me just ask, because I don't see nobody post it. I don't see nobody post it. Yeah, I just that I see nobody post it, so I don't say nothing. True, I don't see nobody post it, I don't talk. I just leave it alone, yeah, my baby. But leave me, I saw me ear. Leave him alone, leave the little people, leave the little boys them alone. Leave the little boys them alone. Leave them alone. You like people for push you up. And people you look for push up and you don't realize that so them a push you up and so them a go down. Because you, yeah. So them a go up, so them a push up you and so them a go down. Remember the tune not tuning. Remember, always remember, you're tone, not toning. So you have to just leave the little people them alone, I beg of you. And nobody look nobody else. If King Donia turn you down, take your shame, rub your clit, you reach that stage, you know, where you just have to rub your clit. Come on, when man go in there, you believe them really get a good come. And that me I wonder, the boy you must not used to woman. If you say enough of them boy your body new, you know. Enough of them boy your body new. I can't bother with you. I look on nice Italia. Cause Italia nice, you know, and feel a little bit retarded. You know him look like him a little bit retarded. Why the pretty people them always look close to retarded? Like them retarded man. If me didn't know my band a little bit like that, you know, not hold it though. Cause I don't want to take me over.